Stop scrolling. We cracked the code to make financial literacy a breeze for kids with Sense to Sense board games. To begin, players decide on a game length, either 30 minutes or a 1-hour session. Roll the dice to determine the first player. Highest roll goes first, and play proceeds clockwise. The player going last chooses their pawn first. Next, pick a responsible player to be the banker. The banker distributes $2,000 cash and savings tiles to each player, including themselves. All players start with a fair credit score and place their pawn on the star space. On your turn, roll the dice and move your pawn accordingly. Land on a property, you can buy it if it's unowned. If the property is owned, you must pay the owner's fee as indicated on the board. Landing on Life Happens means drawing a card to experience life's curveball. Pass star and collect $300. You can save 20% of any income earned. For any banking actions, consult with the banker. If you land on a credit card, spin the wheel to adjust your credit score, which affects your property's prices. The goal is to make wise financial choices to accumulate the most wealth by the end of the game. Keeping track of your budget is optional, and there's a free one on our site. Head over to SenseToSense.com.